Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry. Now here I will explain the resonance structure of metanitrophenol, whether it shows any resonance structure question mark. That means you know orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol, they are showing resonance structures, more resonance structures, that is why they are more stable, and that is why the orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol are more acidic. Now see here metanitrophenol. What is mean? That means meta means three position. Here the position 1 that is OH group, position 3 that is nitro group. When hydrogen is removed and it is called metanitrophenoxide ion. It gives phenoxide ion. That means after removing H plus ion from metanitrophenol, it produces metanitrophenoxide ion. That means 1,3 position. Here in one position phenoxide ion, here there are 6 electron, you can say 3 pair of electron, that is why minus sign, and here it is a covalent bond, that is sigma bond. And now the structure is like this. Here alternative double bonds are present, and here in 3 position nitro group is existing, whereas one oxygen that is attached by double bond, other oxygen that is attached by single bond, having 3 pair of electrons and negative sign. And here you can see whether resonance structure is possible or not. First you see how to move, how to delocalize the pi electrons. So here it is a pi bond. That is why the pi electrons that is localized to the adjacent carbon. Okay. But here after that what happen, you see here that means it acquires a negative sign having pair of electron, and in 3 position the nitro group is present. But after that how can you move this pair of electron having negative sign? How can delocalize to this adjacent bond? That is not possible, because there is a double bond, that is pi bond is present, and which is attached to this nitro group. So you can say after that there is no resonance structure possible, no further resonance is possible here. That means you can compare with orthonitrophenol ion and paranitrophenol ion, and here there is no further resonance possible. So next come to our ether. You know methoxybenzene, that is called anisole, that is one type of ether where benzene ring is attached to OCH3 group. That means OCH3, that is called methoxy group. Methoxy group when attached to benzene, it is one type of ether, and here the name is anisole. Here the commercial name, that is anisole, and here this is IPS name. So what is known as methoxybenzene. You know methoxy group is one electron releasing group, electron donating group. So what happens, oxygen having 2 pair of electron, and one side CH3 group is attached by a sigma bond. Here also one sigma bond, covalent bond is there. So the out of 2 pair of electron, one pair of electron is delocalized to the adjacent bond, and here automatically it make pressure, make force to the adjacent double bond. That is why the pi bond, pi electrons delocalized to the adjacent carbon. You see the next structure. Here what happened, it acquires a double bond, and this oxygen out of 2 pair of electron, 1 pair of electron is used. That is why it acquires a positive charge, and here since here a pair of electron after moving to this carbon, a pair of electron having negative sign is produced. This moves to the adjacent carbon. And similarly, when it gives to force that goes to the adjacent bond, similarly here the pi bond, pi electron delocalized to the adjacent carbon. See the next structure, since it moves to this carbon, it acquires a negative sign having pair of electron, and here what happened, this is also a double bond, that is why it delocalized to this carbon, and this pi bond, sorry, the negative sign having pair of electron delocalized to this adjacent bond. Now here what happened, one case pair of electron negative sign delocalized to this bond, and the pi electron having of your pi bond delocalized to this adjacent carbon. So what happened next step? Since it moves to this carbon, so it acquires a negative sign having pair of electron, and since this electron moves to this carbon, see it acquires a double bond. Now see here what happens. Here this electron pair of electron moves to this bond, move to this adjacent bond, or you can say delocalize to the adjacent bond. Here next what happened, this double bond, one bond, that is pair of electron, moves to this carbon, sorry, to this oxygen. So what happened here, you can say this pair of electron moves to this oxygen. So the next case, what is the resonance structure after that? Since it moves to this bond, that is why it becomes a double bond, and the double bond, here the electron moves to the oxygen, see double bond changes to single bond, and before that one plus sign and one pair of electron changes to two pair of electrons, there is no positive charge. So here OCH3 can be replaced, OCH3 methoxy, OR alkoxy, it is an alkoxy group. So OCH3 can be replaced by OR, where it is called alkoxy group. Again see, methoxy group is one electron donating group. So this donate electron or electron delocalized to this bond, and this double bond delocalized pair of electron to this carbon, and here since negative sign having pair of electron delocalized to this one, and this pi bond delocalized to this carbon. And here since a electron removed, so it is acquires positive charge and having double bond. In this case, that negative sign having pair of electron moves to this adjacent bond, and this pair of electron moves to the here, and it acquires here negative sign with pair of electron, and this having a double bond. And now here the pair of electron having negative sign, so delocalized to this bond, and this double bond, here pair of electrons moves delocalized to this oxygen, that is why it acquires a that is two pair of electron, and there is no positive sign. So since there are resonance structures are possible, so the methoxy benzene shows resonance structure, and that is one an ether group methoxy called methoxy benzene, that is anisole. I hope it is clear. Meta-nitrophenol phenoxide ion, where there is no further resonance takes place. Similarly methoxy benzene, where the alkoxy group, that is OCH3 group, it is one type of ether, and it shows so many type of resonance structure. I hope this methoxy benzene resonance structure is clear to you, and try to understand it, and hope if it is clear to you, if you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel, BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry. Thank you all. Thanks.